hello, welcome to Nursing Guru. I am Shruti. Here I am with some tips for getting good score in your nursing exam. Before we start again, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you click the bell, you will get a notification every time we post a new video. I hope you've seen our previous video and we discussed regarding anatomy, physiology and microbiology model questions. This video will explain about behavior science model questions. Are you excited to watch the video? Okay, let's move. The second exam for GNM students is behavior science, which include two subjects, that are psychology and sociology. This is conducted for 3 hours and the maximum score is 75. Here you can see different category of questions like give the meaning of the following. Second is filling the blanks. Next, true or false questions, short notes and essays. Initially, we can discuss about give the meaning questions. Within 1 or 2 sentences, students can need to write the answers and you can score 1 mark for 1 questions. Then I will explain some model question paper. Here you can see, first is forgetting, emotion, memory, then attention, conflict, defense mechanism, willpower, motivation, that is a repeatedly asking questions, behavior, observation, then reasoning, perception, frustration, rationalization, then next is delusion, and maybe you will get a question like what is psychology, then intelligence, hallucination, aptitude, introspection. If I try to explain about the answer, the video will longer and you may get bored. So I won't do, but don't forget to work on it. Next category of question is filling the blanks. For example, dash is the loss of memory. The answer is amnesia. Then next is man is dash animal. Man is a social animal. Next is illusion is a dash perception. It is a false perception. Next one is formula for IQ is, we know that mental age divided by chronological age into 100. You will get more questions and their answers in Nursing Guru application, and it is completely for free. So don't wait, download now. Oh, I out of touch? Come, let's go back to the video. Next category of question is short answers. After watching the video, don't just forget about it, work on it and you will get a good score in your exams. So the model questions are branches of psychology and the importance of psychology in nursing. Next may be a question like that, conflict and the types of conflict, mental mechanism, attention, then factors affecting perception, then about the learning, principles of learning, and along with that laws of learning. Next question memory, and next is forgetting and causes of forgetting. Next is levels of thinking, another one is IQ, aptitude, theory of motivation, self-actualizations, types of conflict, observation, then factors affecting the development of personality. Next one is thinking and types of thinking. Then characteristics of mentally healthy person, habit formation. The next question is classification of motives. Then related with the personality, what is personality or nature and the development of personality. Along with that self-empowerment, psychological test, emotions, stress and the types of stress. So these are the questions to be asked based on the subject sociology. So importance of sociology in nursing, nature of sociology, scope of sociology, culture and functions of a family, basic needs of a family, then related with the culture, characteristics of culture, types of socialization, agencies of socialization. Next, rights and responsibilities of a citizen along with the rights and responsibilities of an individual in a democratic society. Then merits of joint family system. Next is child abuse, juvenile delinquency, some other social problems. Then types of society, merits and demerits of caste system, social changes, then culture and functions of culture. Then next is urban community or urban community and rural community. You may get a question for 5 marks and its features. Then types of marriage. So I think you understood what I have been said till now. If you have any doubts, write it on the comment box. Let's move the next category of questions without wasting time. There is some long essay questions. Mostly you can score maximum 40 marks from this area. Okay, in psychology you may get the questions like, first is define psychology and the sub questions are explain the scope of psychology and discuss the importance of psychology in nursing profession. So as per the mark only you have to write the answer. So before writing the answer you have to check the mark. Okay, next question is define personality. The sub questions are mention the types of personality, explain the factors influencing personality. So the next question is define thinking and classify and briefly explain the types of thinking, or otherwise you will get a question like importance of creative thinking in nurses. Okay, next question, that is define forgetting. So you can write one definition of forgetting. Then some questions are list the causes of forgetting and briefly explain the methods of improve memory. Okay. The next question is define memory and the types of memory. Along with that you will get explain the methods of improving memory. Okay. So we can move to the next question. Define learning and explain the types of learning. Discuss the factors influencing learning. Okay, next is define motives and explain the classification of motives or otherwise psychology of motives. Then maybe you will get questions like conflicts and the type of conflict, or explain any two conflict approaches with examples. Other questions may like attention, emotion, attitude, or related with stress, thinking, intelligence, developmental psychology, mental health, psychological assessment. Don't forget to work on it. Next questions are from the sociology. The first one is define social problems and explain the characteristics of social problem. So next is enumerate the cause of dowry system in India. So social problem is important in both essays and short notes. Next is define sociology and importance of sociology in nursing, or otherwise scope of sociology. Okay, so we can move to the next question, that is define social control and explain the importance of social control, and along with one more question you may get, that is discuss the means of social control. Next is define caste and the merits and demerits of caste system in India. Define socialization, write the characteristics of socialization and explain the agencies of socialization. Next question is social changes and the sub questions are factors affecting social changes. Next, same type of question, that is social groups and types of culture, and list the functions of culture and write the characteristics of culture or importance of culture. In addition, you might get a questions like a society, social groups, health problems of rural and urban community, family and marriage, social organization and disorganization. So if you study all these things, then you can definitely clear the exam. Study hard for gaining the knowledge, not for passing exam. Again, as like a famous quote, study hard no matter if it takes time, no matter if it seems impossible. Set your alarm, wake up early, make some coffee and start studying for your future. Just remember that the feeling of success is the best feeling in the entire world. So, I wish you all the best and see you on next video. Have a nice day.